In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, organized workflow using lists, templates, and custom fields, and how to control the essentials like due dates, priorities, and assignees, so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's begin inside your designated workspace. This is your central hub in ClickUp, the place where your team's work lives. From here, you'll navigate to the area where you manage tasks. To keep things structured and easy to scan, switch to the list view. Lists are great because they show your tasks in a straightforward, column-based format that's perfect for planning and execution. You'll be able to see names, statuses, dates, and any custom fields at a glance, which keeps communication crisp and progress visible. Next, start creating your first task. Click the plus button labeled Task. A creation panel will open, and this is where clarity pays off. Type your task name in the field and make it descriptive enough that anyone on your team can understand it without a back and forth message. Instead of a vague title, go with something like Draft Q2 Social Media Calendar or Prepare Client Onboarding Checklist. A clear title helps your team prioritize, estimate effort, and move faster because everyone knows exactly what needs to be done. With the task name in place, accelerate your setup by using templates. Click Templates inside the task panel. Templates are a big time saver because they let you apply predefined structures like checklists, descriptions, and subtasks, so you don't rebuild the same framework over and over. Click. Use Template to open the library. Choose the template that best fits your goal. For instance, if you're planning content, a content planning template might include sections for deadlines, platforms, approvals, and assets. If you're managing a process, a template with standardized steps and owners ensures repeatability and consistency. Select the one that matches your workflow and confirm your choice. Now let's customize the data you'll track for this task. Click Custom Fields. Custom fields let you capture everything that matters to your team beyond the basics. Things like estimated effort, client name, campaign type, sprint number, or budget. This is where you can define the variables that make your operations precise and measurable. If your workspace already has a set of custom field configurations you like, click. Use Template again here to apply a ready-made set of fields instead of building them from scratch. This keeps terminology consistent across your lists and makes reporting cleaner. Once your task name, template details, and custom fields look good, it's time to make it official. Click Create Task. The task will appear right inside your list, where you can immediately adjust the key attributes that drive execution. Start with the due date. Set a realistic deadline that aligns with your team's workload and any upstream or downstream dependencies you're aware of. Clear dates bring clarity to sequencing and reduce last-minute scrambling. Assign the task to the right person, so ownership is unmistakable. Assigning tells everyone who's responsible for moving the work forward and helps the assignee focus their day. If the task involves collaboration, you can still assign one owner and mention others in the task comments for support, keeping accountability intact. Then adjust the priority. Priorities in ClickUp help you communicate urgency at a glance. Choose from levels like urgent, high, normal, or low, depending on how quickly the task